you to put a rush up on it like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Texting on my ways, but you still stalling.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, and you already know the name Asia, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can see, the video is kind of different than what you're used to seeing on my channel, and that is because I'm currently finishing up everything to become a nail tech, but I don't want to talk too much. So basically, this video is just showing you how I achieved this look. I only recorded the right hand because the left hand is the exact same, so just to save myself some time as well as my viewers time, I just recorded one hand. At the end of the video, you will be able to see how both hands came out and looked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me some comments below if these are something that you would like to see continuing on my channel, or if you guys feel as if I should make myself a separate nail channel. So for the remainder of this video, it will just show how I achieved this full set for my client. I won't do any more talking, so you guys will just hear some background music. Feel free to leave comments below. Let me know what you guys think of this set. Don't forget to follow my social media tags. They will be in the description box below. And my nail page is actually at the top of this video throughout the whole video, which is Acrylics by Asia on Instagram. I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm really excited to see how it does because it is, it's different content than what I'm used to posting, but if it does do good, I really do plan on continuing this and showing you guys the different talents in which I have. So before I end this video, I do want to give a huge shout out to Dreamtime Creations for sending me a whole package that included so many different crystals, as well as some gel top coats, base coats, rhinestone picker, so like a rhinestone pencil, gummy jelly, which is used for rhinestones, and just a few other products that I really do love and I use throughout this video. So you guys can check their website out, dreamtimecreations.com, which will be linked in the description box below, as well as their social media tags. Check them out. They're really, really dope. I love them. You can use their crystals for almost anything. It's so versatile, and it really came in handy for the set that I did today. So I hope you guys like it. I love you guys, and I will see all of you in my next video.